What is my true love that burn with the fires of hell? Those are the hills of Cold Creek where miners work and dwell. I worked in the mines on Tuesday. I worked the day before. At 3 o'clock on Wednesday, I'll work in the mine no more. I boarded a train Wednesday morning. Into the mine did go. At 7 o'clock in the morning, we heard an awful blow. Shut up in the mines of Cold Creek. We know that we must die, but if we trust in Jesus, our souls to heaven shall fly. The birds are gladly singing. The sun is shining bright, but where we are this evening, it is as black as night. What hills, my true love, that burn with the fires of hell? Those are the hills of Cold Creek, where my
finish with a beautiful song that Jefferson introduced me to. It's called Churchyard.
It's an old hymn. It comes from the state of Arkansas. I first heard it sung by the Carthy Watterson family, English folk singing family. But the song made its way from Arkansas across the Atlantic and then back again, so as songs often do. So it's called the Old Churchyard. Churchyard, I so well know those paths beneath the soft green sward. Friends in there that we once did regard, we will trace out their names in the old churchyard. Mourn not for them, for their trials are o'er, and why weep for those who would weep no more. For sweet is the sleep, though cold and hard, their pillows lay deep in the old churchyard. It's vain when our friends depart to breathe kind words to a broken heart. And I know that the joy of life, it is marred when we follow those friends to the old churchyard. But were I at rest beneath yonder tree, why would you weep, my friends, for me? I'm so weary and worn, why would you retard the peace that I seek in the old churchyard? For me, 'cause I am ready to go to that haven of rest where no tears ever flow, and I fear not to enter that dark, weary tomb where our Savior has lain and conquered the gloom. I rest in the hope that one bright day sunshine will burst through this prison of clay, and Gabriel's trumpet and the voice of the Lord, they will wake up the dead in the old churchyard.